So yeah, gold diggers and people who are after like money, they aren't bad people at all. They are just people who are suffering from insecurity and feeling vulnerable in the world and suffering from lack. So they're basically in a way hurting or wounded from society that we grew up in, where they don't feel safe and secure, so they feel very vulnerable, which is the opposite of feeling very safe or secure. So like that's like the behavior of someone desperately trying to meet their need through gold digging. We see these videos on YouTube, or I've seen one or two, where people basically, what's the word, disgrace, and it's a form of dishonor too, but that's a different story. They disgrace a woman who's like after a man with a lot of money, for example. And that reminds me of, like, for example, prostitution, which there's nothing, for me, like, that's a very sad case where a woman is very desperately trying to meet her needs for survival, for maybe her son or her daughter, or even just herself, or even maybe her mother or father. So it's a very, very, very sad and desperate way to meet your need for survival and having food or a home. Now, that's nothing to be scoffed at or laughed at or mocked or made fun of, or worse yet, dishonorably disgracing somebody. That's a failure of society and the government or other human beings as a unit, as a one love, one family. That's the name of my channel. That's a failure of the group as a whole, of humankind not supporting people in need adequately, so that they don't have to resort to desperate measures, which include other desperate measures, include robbery, theft. Now I'm not saying I approve of any of like robbery or theft, I don't, but I do understand that a great deal of robbery and theft. Hey, how's it going? So yeah, sweet brothers and sisters watching me on YouTube right now, yeah, just these topics are really good, like inner child qualities, and then also like healing from past trauma and triggers, our processes and our exercises to reintegrate back into harmony, balance and wellness again. So yeah, check me and my friend Patchy, and maybe some other people will be sharing together. And Patchy's just a phenomenal person. Like, she's like a wonderful healer in person. She's just a lovely lady, So she's very good intentions in heart and lots of good wisdom. So yeah, just check it out below. Like, check out this live things we're going to be doing on Facebook. I think it's going to be. So just look at the link below and befriend us if you haven't already. Befriend us on Facebook. My links are in the description below. And yeah, I'll put Patchy's friend there too, so you can befriend her, and it'd be really good to join in and learn, and then you can share with our families or our loved ones, So just work together to help each other, support each other, and to help each other to heal and to grow and learn in life. And that's where it's all at really, isn't it? Because we do better together, we work better as a team. Let's help and love each other and be kind. So, talk to you guys. Thanks for watching. Lots of love.